Okay, so if you're fixing something to a wall, you need to drill into the brick. If you're drilling through the brick wall to put a pipe through, and it probably is easier to go through the mortar, but if you're fixing something, you have to put it into the brick to give it the best fixing possible. These are the drill bits I use, SDS. This one's a Hilti it's a 4-flute cutting for concrete, engineering brick. They'll even cut through reinforced concrete and cut the steel, so this is amazing. This one is 4-flute. It's a normal brick, I just use this one. This one's a Makita. Always use good quality drill bits. This is a 2-flute, but really good quality, as you can see by the tip. Whenever you fit these into your SDS drill, this is a Hilti, by the way, brilliant tool. Always grease them up. I'll just put some grease in there, but usually I'll just put it on this, and every time you fit it, it greases up the works. So, and that's all you have to do with a Hilti, just push it in and wait till it clicks. Like that. So obviously you only want to drill the depth of your Rawlplug. This one that I bought, usually I would put tape round, but this one I bought is the perfect depth. So as soon as I come off these spirals, I know I'm at the right depth. But if yours is a big one like that, obviously once you're in the wall, you don't know how far you've drilled, and sometimes you go too far, sometimes you don't go far enough, so it's best to mark it with a piece of tape how deep you're going. Right, and drilling's the easy bit. So there you go, I'm set to hammer drill. I've got to do this one-handed now. So don't drill by the edge of the brick, otherwise you might break it. That is it, easy.